Is Dubai really safe right now? With headlines talking about regional conflict in between the entire Middle East happening, I am not here to give you any opinion. I am here to give you the data. Most people are speculating right now. But if you look at the S&P Global ratings, credit default scores and third defense systems, the reality on the ground is different than the news. Hi, welcome back to our channel. I am Rohan from Roadies Realtors, and once again we are back to give you the exact idea about what exactly is happening here in Dubai, and along with that what is the impact it is having on the markets all around. Not only the real estate market but all the markets which are here in Dubai, be it the financial market, gold market, real estate market, logistics market. We are here to give you an understanding about every single aspect so that you being a resident or non-resident who is looking at Dubai through the media channel should understand what exactly is happening and how we are overcoming the challenges which are basically being presented in front of us because of the regional conflict. Today, I am breaking down 14 key points from a recent expert session that will prove why Dubai is standing as the fortress of stability in 2026. So stay tuned to the video till then. Before we talk about the real estate market or about any market which is being impacted, we need to understand and learn about the three wars which are happening right now in the Middle East. Most people are actually talking about the first war, but the other two will actually cost you the money. The first one, Iran war. This is the physical conflict happening in between Iran, Israel and USA, and the entire Middle East is being the collateral damage in between that. The kinetic event we see in the news. Second, the information war. This is the battle for your perspective. It's the headlines designed to trigger panic. And the third but most important, ignorance war. This is the most dangerous one. It's when investors make decisions based on fear rather than based on the country's balance sheet. If you are winning the ignorance war, you aren't panicking, you are looking at the data. Let's look at the actual safety numbers. As of today, March 25, 2026, there have been 2,187 missile events. Here is the reality of these numbers. Interceptions, vast majority of these were successfully intercepted. On at about plus minus 100 were fall on the ground as debris or shrapnel because of the successful intercept. That is exactly around 4% of the total number of missiles which were shot towards UAE. Whereas only 4 missiles fell on the ground without being intercepted. That is only 0.2%. With third technology protecting the skies, a 99.8% success rate is why the ports, airports at 50% occupancy and the healthcare systems remains 100% open. But here is a lesson in market maturity. Trading online and products on the ground are two different worlds. Stocks are liquid and emotional. They trigger because of the information war, while real estate is an asset. Last year, similar like this, developer stock raised up to 70% in Dubai financial market, whereas the property of the same developer only saw an appreciation of 15%. This proves that they don't move 1:1 ratio. A drop in the stock market is a sentiment of short-term trader sentiment, not a long-term value of villa in Dubai Hills. To understand why Dubai is standing strong, you need to understand tests. During COVID-19, the central bank launched target economic support system that is called as TESS. This was 256 billion dirhams package to provide liquidity to the banks, waive interest and support businesses from collapsing. It is the reason why Dubai recovered faster than any other city in the globe during COVID-19 pandemic. Now look at today. On March 17, 2026, Central Bank approved a new financial resilience package by 1 trillion dirhams in foreign exchange and asset reserves. We are looking at nearly 4 times the support we had during COVID. With a monetary base coverage of 119%, the UAE has more than enough oxygen to keep the economy breathing through any volatility. The data is clear. S&P Global ranks UAE at AA A1+ on 6-7 March 2026 reports. Our credit default score is 65 compared to 900 during 2008 crisis. New investors who have been waiting since 2020 are finally making a move to occupy the offers and the deals currently present in the market. They aren't following the noise, they are following a strategy. Don't lose the ignorance war. Follow Roadies Realtors for the data that matters. See you in the next one.